Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gaining safe access. Remove bedding and luggage, then fold nearby berths down to stand or kneel comfortably. Once done, inspect the middle berth frame to identify missing pins, loose bolts, or bent supports. Use a flashlight to check hinge areas and the underside where brackets meet the wall. Mark any parts that wobble. Gather a basic toolkit: adjustable wrench, screwdriver, pliers, replacement pins or M6 bolts, and a cloth. Make sure the train is stationary and doors are locked for safety. You now realign the middle berth frame. Loosen but do not remove adjacent bolts so the frame can be nudged into position. Once aligned, insert replacement pins or matching size bolts into the hinge holes. Push pins fully home or thread bolts until hand tight. Then, tighten fasteners in sequence to avoid twisting the frame. Alternate sides and check level frequently. If a bracket is bent, straighten gently with pliers or swap it out. Make sure moving parts glide smoothly before restoring load. You finish by testing the repaired middle berth. Apply weight gradually at the center and edges, listening for creaks and checking for wobble. If all feels solid, reinstall mattress and bedding and press on any trim or caps to conceal fasteners. Make sure locks or catches engage fully. If you still notice movement, stop and remove load, check bracket alignment and fastener torque, then add thin shims where gaps remain. If damage is structural, report to staff or replace the bracket for a permanent fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.